if you are planning to visit Osaka, then this video is for you. Hello guys, good morning. This is Marl, and for this video guys, I would like to respond to this comment. And this is really good question because Obon Yasumi this week, next week magsa-start na. So it's holiday. So I know guys, ang daming may planong pumunta dito sa Osaka. Sir, magkano yung one-day pass? So yung one-day pass po dito sa Osaka, subway and the bus po. Subway po subway. So karamihan naman ng mga tourist spots dito is pwedeng puntahan through subway. Minsan may malayo sa subway pero kayang lakarin. So this is really good information. So if you are coming to Osaka, yung usual days lang po. Usual days, not holiday. Ito, not red calendar. Yung one-day pass po is 820 yen. 820 yen. Of course, sa bata, mas mura 820 yen. Ngayon, if it is Saturday, Sunday, and holidays, guys, the one-day pass is only 620. Kaya guys, ako, kung gagala ako ng Saturday, Sunday, especially sa Omeda or somewhere sa Namba, I make sure to compute my plan. So, I compute my plan kung where I want to go, and then i-compute ko magkano yung magiging pamasahe ko. If more than 620, kasi Saturday, Sunday, if more than 620, ginagawa ko, pumipili ako ng one-day pass. So this is one way to save money during your travel dito sa Osaka. Okay, that's it. Sana po nakatulong yung information na to. Sayonara, gambarimasu.